Hi, my name is Victoria Phantom. I'm doing my service learning project on social interaction in children. Introduction. I chose to do my service learning project on children's social interactions at a daycare that I used to work at. I haven't worked at this daycare in 3 years, so most of the children are new and they don't know me. I knew that this would take some time, but I hope to have the children become comfortable and open with me the short time that I was there. My primary focus was on observing and helping the children with their social interactions. I attended the daycare 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I would attend the daycare for 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours, after work on those days. 3 to 4 hours a week was a lot of time for me to observe these children and to really get to know them and to learn from them. Why did I choose this? I chose to talk about social interactions in children because I feel it is so crucially important. Social interaction is so important in children because these are the years that people learn to socialize and learn to be social. If a child does not have social learning skills while they are in their developing years, this causes things such as being antisocial. I feel as though if there is ever a problem that we can fix with children, especially when it comes to their learning processes, development or social learning, then we should always take this opportunity. Some children develop impairments and can even develop language abnormalities if they are not socially interactive. Social interactions form a basis of social structure, and it is said to be the key to social examination. My role. My role was not aimed to necessarily be a teacher's aide or a teacher as I was when I worked there, but it was to be more of their friend. I corrected them if I thought it was necessary, but I wanted my role to be to sit with them, play with them, color with them, watch television with them, etc. I didn't want the children to view me as strictly an authority figure or a teacher, because I didn't want them to act differently towards me and around me. I believed that if I acted more like their friend, that they would be more comfortable with me, and that would make it easier to observe them. Activities. Some activities that we did were coloring Halloween and Thanksgiving pictures, reading stories, going outside to play, playing with their toys, playing musical chairs, and dancing to holiday music such as Halloween and Thanksgiving music. Here are some more pictures of the children doing different activities. Reflection. Overall, I feel as though this was an amazing experience for me. I met new children and was able to get to know them and help them with their social interactions. The children weren't open with me until about a week in, but once they were, they really enjoyed having me there, and I really enjoyed being there. They began talking to me more, telling me about their families, and sharing their toys with me. When we did activities such as going outside, the children were grabbing my hand to make sure that I was there. This made me so happy that they became so comfortable with me in such a short amount of time. I have seen some improvement in the children that I believe to be antisocial, and I feel as though I contributed to that. This service learning project was a great experience for me because I was able to learn and observe children's social interactions, which is very important in their development. You can always learn things from children, just as much as you teach them.